Hi y'all, Billy here in the messy studio. I thought it was time for a quick shop update. Pardon me. I'm going to try to do this in one take. No fancy intro music, no outro, just me telling you what's going on. Sorry. I had back surgery on the 28th of December. So I haven't been able to do any turning and won't be able to for a few more months yet. I get to wear this nice fancy brace that y'all can't see for a few months. I don't know when the doctor's going to release me to get back out into the shop and do some things, but I've got some things planned and I hope you'll enjoy them. In the meantime, I hope you all had a really good Christmas. I hope Santa was as good to you as he was to me. I got some PNN or Patience and Nichols tools for Christmas. Patience and Nichols is an Australian company. They've been making tools for over 15 years. They make really high quality tools, high quality steel. A number of master turners throughout the world use them. They're not real commonly known or known of by a lot of turners here in the United States. I'm not too sure why, but some do, and everybody brags about them. One of the things that I like most about the PNN tools, like I said, high quality steel. They're going to last a long time, and they're about half the cost of everybody else. I mean, Thompson's tools are fantastic, and I'd like to be able to have some. One day I might, but you know, I can't really, now that I'm retired, can't really afford that. So I got these. This is a 5/8 or 16 millimeter, 12 millimeter, half-inch bowl gouge, and I got a 12-inch or half millimeter spindle gouge and a 3/8 or 10 millimeter detail gouge. One of the nice things about the spindle gouge and the two bowl gouges is they will fit this handy dandy little insert. I've got to make a handle for it. This is the Jimmy Clewes mate. I can't remember if this is the mate 1 or the mate 2. But this is Jimmy Clewes mate, quick release. All I have to do is make one handle and get 2 more adapters. I got one. Get 2 more adapters, and it goes in, you lock it, and it's secure. So I can do a quick change on the fly between those 3 gouges depending on what I'm turning. Really cool. You can get these either from Jimmy Clewes himself on his website, or I got mine from my buddy Todd Raines at Woodturning Tool Store. Look him up, give him some business. He's a really good guy. He lives in South Texas. He's originally a Canuck, but we won't hold that against him. He and his wife are just fine people. Like I said, I'm going to be out a few weeks. I've got 18 staples in my back. They're coming out next Monday. This is Thursday, I think. Let me check. Yeah, Thursday, January 11th. So, I get my staples out on Monday, and the doctor will give me my marching orders. I know I'm not supposed to drive for 3 weeks after the surgery. Well, today is 2 weeks. Next Thursday I might be able to drive, but that doesn't mean I can do anything out here. I'll keep you updated and let you know what he says. This is going to be a relatively arduous process. He repaired a torn disc that was putting pressure on my sciatic nerve, causing sciatica pain down my left side due to a car accident, and actually another injury that went back when I was active duty back in the 1970s. So he was able to take the pressure off the sciatic nerve and cut the bad part of the disc away. Opened up the channels that the sciatic nerve went through, because that damage was caused a long time ago, causing the basically a degenerative arthritic condition to close the channels up. Anyway, that got opened up. The problem is he can't fix nerve damage, and the sciatic nerve has been hurt for so long that it caused some long-term damage. We don't know how long that's going to be or how much it's going to affect me. Hopefully it won't affect me too much out here in the shop, since I'm now retired and this is what I'm planning to do all the time. But I want to thank all my viewers and all my friends and everybody that's made comments or sent me messages and of well-being. Thank you very much. I appreciate all your care. I appreciate your prayers. And I'm looking forward to getting back out here and having some fun. So y'all have a great new year, and hopefully in a few weeks you'll get to see my smiling face some more. Thanks. Come back and see us.